Hey there, outdoor adventurers! Today, I'm diving into a hot topic: guns versus bows for hunting and self-defense. Whether you're out in the wild or protecting your home, choosing the right tool is crucial. So, let's break it down. First up, let's talk about guns. Range and accuracy. Rifles have unmatched range and precision, perfect for long-distance shots and larger game. In self-defense, this accuracy can make all the difference. Power and penetration. Firearms pack a punch. They offer superior stopping power and penetration, essential for taking down big animals or incapacitating an attacker. Versatility. Guns come in all shapes and sizes: handguns, rifles, shotguns. This versatility means there's a firearm for every scenario. Ease of use. Modern firearms are user-friendly. They require less physical strength, making them accessible to many. Quick follow-up. Shots. Semi-automatic and automatic guns allow for rapid successive shots, crucial in both hunting and self-defense. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows with guns. Noise. Guns are loud. This can scare away game or alert potential threats. Legal restrictions. Firearms are heavily regulated. The laws can be a maze, depending on where you are. Cost. High-quality firearms and ammunition can be pricey. Plus, the ongoing cost for ammo and maintenance. Now, let's switch gears to bows. Silent operation bows are virtually silent, ideal for stealthy hunting and staying undetected. Challenge and skill. Bow hunting is an art. It requires practice and skill, rewarding those who love the challenge. Legal flexibility. Bows face fewer regulations, easier to own and use in many areas. Cost-effective. Arrows can be reused. Over time, it's more cost-effective than buying ammo. So, which one's for you? Guns offer range, power, and versatility. Bows bring stealth, skill, and fewer legal headaches. Ultimately, it boils down to your personal preference and needs. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe and happy hunting.